What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna replace the windshield wiper blades for the Honda Pilot. Okay, let's do it. Alright guys, today we're gonna replace the wiper blades, the windshield wiper blades, this one. Okay, we're gonna replace them because they are bad already, because when I turn the wipers on and there's water on the windshield, it's still blurry. They don't clean right, okay? They're not working properly. Okay, so I already cleaned them, but still they don't work. These are all ready, so let's replace them with new ones. This one, the Honda Pilot, uses 26-inch on the driver's side and 24-inch on the passenger side. So, but this one, let me show you the ones I got. Okay. Okay guys, these are the ones I got. The 26 inches is for the driver's side, and the 24-inch wiper blade is for the passenger side. Okay, driver side, passenger side. Okay, these are a Michelin. These are the Endurance XT. Okay, there are a lot of different brands, but for me these ones are great. This one look amazing. You see the quality is good. These are universal. This will work for any car. They come with the adapter that fits all the cars, but before you install them you have to check which adapter will work for your car. Okay, so let's install first the driver side. Okay, let's remove the driver side. One more note, this one has a different adapter for cars that have the different connection. The one that there is like a stick on the side, this is the one for those. So this is universal, will fit any car, but make sure that you put the correct adapter for your car. Okay, but this one comes for the other one. There is like a hook, and this one there is like a pin on the side. It hooks like this on the to remove it. It's very easy. Have to remove this like that, and then put this like this and slide it down, and then you can get it out like this. Okay, this out. One important thing, be careful with this. You don't want to break your windshield. Be very careful. Just put it like this and be very careful with that. If you let it go, it's gonna break your windshield. So be very careful with this. Put it just like that, slowly. Okay, or let me put it like this to install the new one. So that's the old one. Let me clean it. Let's put the new one. Now let's open this thing. Let's see. I can open it. There's a tape there. Okay, it's open. This one looks a very good quality. Amazing. So it has this. What is this? Important. Don't do it in direct sunlight or freezing temperature. Okay, ensure windshield washer is clean and dry and free of any debris. Okay, so let's clean it. So it's good. So this one is the same way. It will slide here, and then it will click. So let's see this. It will slide, one click. Super easy. Okay, first one is done. Very easy. So let's do the other one. Same way. Okay, and then slide it down, remove it, and be very careful not to hit the windshield. You don't want to break the windshield. Okay, so let's get the other one. let's open this one. Remove this instruction. Open this. Let's slide it. And let's see. This. Put it here. As after you hear a click, that means it's already all the way. And this one too. Yes. Haha. That's nice. So that's it. That's how to install a new wiper blades. Let's see if they work. On, off. Put water. Haha, nice. You see? It's clean. Oh, it's not cleaning in that area. I have to check that. Okay, let's see why it's not cleaning in that part. In here it's not cleaning. So, and in here either. Do I need to remove this? Oh yeah. Okay, one thing I forgot. You have to remove these clips. Okay, I have to remove these ones. I forgot to do that. Remove these clips from the windshield wipers. Let me remove these too. Okay. Okay, that's why it wasn't cleaning properly on the sides of these clips. Now, let's test it again. Yes. Beautiful. Nice and clean. Amazing. Yeah, the other ones, even with the water, it was blurry. So now it's amazing. I love it. So it's super easy. That's how you replace the wiper blades. Okay guys, that's how you install the wiper blades for the Honda Pilots. But this process, it works for most of the cars, okay? But also the box comes with the other option for the different adapter, okay? So check which one will work for your car, but this wiper will fit any car, okay? The link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.